So here's something really dumb. Like yesterday night, we shot until like 9:30 and we were waiting for the KFC until like 10, right? So I was just exhausted, and then I didn't even check if I brought my charger back home, and I didn't for my computer. Then once I'm back, I realized I couldn't edit the vlog of the day. So right now it's like 8:30 in the morning. I'm already heading to work, and I'm gonna edit that video before I even start work. Great start for the day, yay! So aside from editing the vlog, the reason why I'm back here so early today, because today is a special day. It actually have been quite a while since I last went to the gym, and I'm not gonna lie, that felt very weird and very bad. This place is an absolute mess after yesterday. Like, well, today we still have another shoot, but this is just too much.
But you're spending the night with me.
你心情點啊？
心情
係啊，有啲期待
又緊張咯，我諗應該得嘅。
都係得嘅。我係去到嘅時候就同佢哋講，我哋今日究竟係做啲乜嘢？
好啊，
真係好難受啊！諗起就。好啦，其實咧，我哋今日要做嘅東西咧，就係頭先嗰間鋪頭啦。咁就有呢個三文魚子飯嘅大胃王挑戰啦，係啦。咁咧，我哋就要喺8分鐘之內食完呢個1kg 嘅三文魚子飯啦。
最快紀錄咧，我就1000蚊。如果我哋嗰個星期裡面最快嘅咧，我哋就有500蚊。
我哋就非常銳意咧，要攞到呢個500蚊或者1000蚊啦。但係最起碼就係唔好超過8分鐘。如果唔係咧，我哋就要俾250蚊，200 something去食呢個三文魚子飯。
差唔多都250蚊嘅啦，要。
係啊，我哋擔心咗1個星期，因為覺得啲魚子會好流。不過只要你相信做到咧，就做到㗎啦。OK。For fuck's sake， 已經係由歐洲爛到而家。呢個係超生死狀嘅 concept 嚟，呢個。好似會就快冧嗰隻，冧咗啦已經。哦，
呢個都影咗先要。
如果你哋 ready 嘅話，我一陣間就數1、2、3就可以。
好啊好啊好啊！
預備1、2、3開始。
So the day went on, and I didn't really film that much today because right after the challenge, I went straight back to the company. We started shooting a recreation of the Queen's Gambit, and it took us forever to set up the scene and the deco. The place is just a whole new level of mess right now. So we're finishing it tomorrow and hope it all turns out fine. But for the challenge, well, when we start eating, you will see, like, I was going all in. I was like getting the rice, getting the fish, Tobiko, yeah, the Tobiko. Okay, so I'm getting the Tobiko again and again, like super fast. But Max was somehow like eating it very slowly, so I was a bit worried by then. But actually, what he said was because I was filming and he doesn't want to look like a savage on camera, so he did it very slowly. At first, I felt like it was really fine. I could finish it within a minute or so. At the 1 minute mark, I already finished like more than half of the rice. Then it starts to kick in. These Tobiko mixed with rice was fine, but once we finished the rice and with only the Tobiko left, it starts to get very oily. I could continue to eat, but I really don't feel like eating. I somehow feel like throwing up. Most important of all, we finished the challenge. Like, finished it in like 4 minutes and 41 seconds. So it was not bad, but not as fast as we wish we could have done. Anyways, challenge completed, and it was fun. It was fun. So that's day 3. These are so fun to make. I should make more than 5 days, but I wouldn't, and I'll tell you why during day 5, I think. So see you tomorrow.